recording. Volume divided by 22.4 liter. If it is in ml, then it will be 22,400. Okay. Then after mass percent, then after empirical formula. So last topic we were dealing with empirical formula. Okay. So till now whatever we have studied, now we will use that concepts. Okay, we will use that concepts, and they are nothing but mole in terms of mass, in terms of number, in terms of volume. That is called as, most important one is stoichiometry. Okay, Vedang, done. Very good. So this is stoichiometry. ठीक है ना? व्हाट इज स्टोइकियोमेट्री? लिखो पहले, सब लोग लिखो, डेफिनेशन लिखो, लिखो. इट इज डिफाइंड एज, it is defined as it is defined as detailed analysis of detailed analysis of word is using balanced chemical equation. ठीक, वो भी किस में? in terms of moles or in terms of mass or in terms of volume or number, ऐसा. Please. Okay. So it can be analyzed it can be analyzed as कैसे? as mass relation में, and mass volume relation में. It can be analyzed as mass relation. बाप रे बाप. That is mass relation. अगर अच्छा नहीं दिख रहा है because of my writing, so this one mass relation. It may be mass volume relation. It may be mass volume relation. तो फर्स्ट हेडिंग लिखो प्लीज. फर्स्ट हेडिंग प्लीज. मास रिलेशनशिप. मास रिलेशनशिप. मास रिलेशनशिप. ठीक. कहने का मतलब है यू आर एनालाइजिंग ऑल द थिंग्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ मास. एनालाइजिंग ऑल द थिंग्स इन टर्म्स ऑफ मास. फर्स्ट हेडिंग मास एनालिसिस. मास एनालिसिस. मास एनालिसिस. मास एनालिसिस. हेडिंग लिख लिया सबने. हाउ मास is analyzed या मास रिलेशनशिप. सपोज I am saying simple, most simple example. So write down example please. ये चैप्टर क्या है? दिस चैप्टर इज. थ्योरी एक लाइन में खत्म हो जाएगा. थ्योरी एक लाइन में खत्म हो जाएगा. And that can be definitely analyzed in terms of numericals. Suppose, please write down the numerical please. Find out mass of sulfur. Find out mass of sulfur. Find out mass of sulfur which is completely reacting with find out mass of sulfur which is completely reacting with 100 gram of oxygen. ठीक. मैंने प्रॉब्लम में क्या लिखा? Mass of sulfur is to be calculated. Mass of oxygen is given as 100 gram.
Excuse me, sir.
हाँ बोलो.
Can you please repeat the problem? I had an issue with the connection.
हाँ. Yes. बोला find out mass of sulfur which is completely reacting with. Find out mass of sulfur which is completely reacting with 100 gram of oxygen. सीबीएसई बोर्ड, आईसीएसई बोर्ड 9th क्लास में डिटेल्ड वर्जन. अरे वाह, दर्शन ने सॉल्व भी कर दिया है. तो देखो प्लीज कैसे सॉल्व करते हैं. मोल्स क्या हो जाएगा, वॉट एवर इज द कोएफिशिएंट रिटन, 3 मोल, 2 मोल. So 3 moles of oxygen is reacting with 2 moles of sulfur. Okay, 3 moles of oxygen is completely reacting with 2 moles of oxygen. Now start solving. Solution. What you can write? जिसका मास दिया है उससे स्टार्ट करते हैं. So 3 moles of, अभी सॉल्व हो जाएगा, then after we will do faster way, but right now slowly. 2 moles of oxygen. So whatever is the coefficient written, coefficient क्या होता है, जो कंपाउंड के पहले होगा. O2 is completely reacting with, O2 is completely reacting with 2 moles of sulfur. 2 moles of sulfur. ऐसा लिखते थे ना तुम लोग डायरेक्टली. 2 moles of O2 या 3 moles of O2 reacting with 2 moles of sulfur. Yes, 2 moles of sulfur. 3 moles of O2 is completely reacting with 2 moles of sulfur. So 1 mole with 2 by, यहीं पे निकाल लो, नंबर ऑफ मोल्स ऑफ O2 कितना आएगा, 100 डिवाइडेड बाई 32. So 100 upon 32 moles of O2 will react with okay. Why 100 by 32? Number of moles, mass divided by molar mass रहेगा. See, I'm circling with yellow. Number of moles right में, right side upper way. Number of moles of O2 will be mass divided by molar mass. Okay. Yes, got it. So 100, you are calculating in terms of moles. Now you have calculated the moles. Now by, हम लोग डायरेक्टली भी जा सकते थे, but step by step, simple way. So mass of sulfur will be, कितना मोल आ गया, दिस वन है ना, देखो ऊपर कैलकुलेट किया है. So mass will be, by basic definition, mole multiplied by molar mass. मोलर मास ऑफ O2 बाय द वे कितना है, 32. ये देख कट गया, 32 इधर से, 32 इधर से, 200 by 3, that is 66 point. Any problem, please? Shravani square. Shravani square. Shravani square. का इस प्रॉब्लम का? No problem. There is no problem, please. हाँ, रेवती बोले फिर से एक्सप्लेन करने को. Definitely, I will explain it again. Okay. See the. ठीक है. This is the first problem. Definitely, I should explain again and again. See. 3 moles of O2 is completely reacting with 2 moles of sulfur. इसका मतलब ये है whenever reaction is taking place ना, तो जो भी कोएफिशिएंट लिखा है वो मोल रेशियो में पार्टिसिपेट करते हैं. So 3 mole of O2 is completely reacting with 2 moles of sulfur. Here 100 gram of oxygen is given, right side yellow. So number of moles of O2 will be mass divided by molar mass. So number of moles of O2 will be 100 divided by 32. Now start calculating unitary method. 3 moles of O2 is completely reacting with 2 moles of sulfur. उसको मैंने ऐसा लिख दिया. 3 mole is reacting with 2 mole, तो 1 mole is reacting with 2 by 3. 100 by 32. From where it is coming? 100 by 32 from where it is coming? यहाँ से आ रहा है. तो 100 by 32 will react with 2 by 3 multiplied by 100 by 32. This is number of moles. If you are getting number of moles, so mass will be mass equals to moles multiplied by molecular mass. बस फिर क्या है? मोलर मास से मल्टीप्लाई कर दे.